Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, as you can see, I am on the move right now. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I am already in the charts. I have my laptop. I'm alerting our Discord, which is free. I'll link it in the description. I'm alerting our Discord of all the important price levels for the day on the SPY, on the Qs. We've pulled back the last couple days. And other than that, the pullback, there's been no momentum. So all the momentum stocks, day trading stocks, they're not doing so well. So while the market is not doing well, there are some things you can also play for the long side as the market pulls back. That is SQs, which will go up when the NASDAQ market goes down. This is something that I've traded in the past. You have to know what you're doing. You have to be able to read the overall direction of the market. And there's also futures that you can do, which is what I trade, the E-mini for the S&P 500. So once you, I guess, see which way the market's going, it's not for a beginner trader, but it is one way to play the market for the downside. If you don't want to short stocks, which I never recommend shorting stocks. And as you can see what happens when people short stocks like AMC, GameStop, and all those stocks that squeeze to the moon. I'm just long biased in general. I always have been. I'm more of a bull than a bear. So I like to trade the SQs because it gives me something that I can buy on dips as it goes up, as the overall market for the NASDAQ goes down. We could be in a period of a pullback. This is normal. This is healthy. This is a normal, healthy stock market. It doesn't just go straight up. Nothing ever does. And we were so overbought. I've made so many videos. You've probably heard it so many times. We're just so overbought. So as I alert our Discord of important price levels for today, I'm just going to say that, day trading is obviously risky. We all know that. But it's also a very lonely space. So when you're trading, it's just you, the computer, a bunch of numbers. And if you have a good support system, like we have with our Discord here, I highly recommend getting into a chat that you can, find value in. And, that's the Discord. For us, a lot of good information coming through here. So anyway, I don't know if you can hear that timer going off. I have to get back to what I'm doing here. So yeah, trading is a lonely place. And especially this market is very difficult to day trade. So just keep your risk management down. This is a very good opportunity to learn how to control your risk, because that is everything in day trading. If you could limit your losses, you will be so much better off. So anyway, guys, I'm probably not going to be able to day trade today too much. Maybe I'll be able to take a couple positions, but my time is going to be spent here. I own my own business, so I'm not always going to be behind the screen, but I do bring my laptop so I can still stay connected, even if it is a little bit throughout the day. Okay, everyone. I share my screen with you. Sharing the moneymaker. Very small win. Very small win. Today, obviously, as I said previous, was not going to be an active day trading day for me. I could not trade today. I was at my other business, which you saw in the video that I made earlier this morning. So I'm gonna start out by showing you guys, okay, when your bias in a market is a certain way, this is what happens. Okay, you can obviously see here. I started the day, I took a scalp trade here, made a small amount, right? Nothing crazy, because this is what has been happening. By the way, I'm short biased. If you haven't been in the market the past 2 days, then you might be long biased. But I'm short biased because of what has been going on. Obviously, today, and this is a great learning um, example for you guys to learn by my mistakes. You can't go into the next trading day with any bias that you may have had the day before. You can manage risk. You can understand what market you're in, and maybe you're not in one of those momentum, retail trader meme momentum type small cap, micro cap, cheap stock, biotech, crazy momentum that we have seen in the past. That's not the market we're in. But we are still in a very strong bull market for the overall market. Now, Monday and Tuesday screwed my head up, okay? Messed my head up. So I was short here and I was short here. I shorted this spot right here, which was normally this would be a very good spot if you were short bias and you were coming into the market with this type of sell off. You get the pop, right? And what we've been seeing, which is also why you can't go on just that, we have been seeing it reject pre-market highs, okay, and then tank. So I took a short at exactly that level almost immediately, because we had gotten a real nice push out of the gate. It kept pushing. So what I did was, now I am in, how can I minimize my loss? And this is where I did a very, very good job, because this could have been a massive loss, a massive, massive loss. So anyway, it kept going up. What always happens? Things don't just go straight up. They will always retrace. Okay? I waited for the retracement, got out right here, which was such a good move, because look where we have gone since. You're talking about hundreds and hundreds of dollars of loss. And the funny thing is, I was trying something today. When I'm not able to be, okay, at my screen, I'm trying to think of a way that I could take some positions intraday, maybe little swings here and there, where I don't have to be monitoring the position like we normally would be. Well, this is a good example of why that would not work. Okay, that just would not work. You're either trading or you are not trading. It's really as simple as that. So, because I never would have been able to catch this. And what you would normally want to do with a futures trade is you set a stop loss, and you can set alerts. But my stop loss on this, I don't know where I would have set it. I was not, obviously being short biased, not expecting that. And that is why it is very tough to trade when you can't, put all your attention on this. So luckily I was able to see this and trade it the best that I could.
I waited for the retracement. That saved me a whole bunch of money and got out right here. And then it just ripped ever since. So that was great trade management on a losing trade. Right out of the gate, I'm down $27, $26. And then I just made a great comeback because of this ticker symbol right here. And I traded this really well. I scalped it. I scalped it a few times. And, AMC, this one just, it's like stuck in the mud. We all want it to go up. And maybe it will, you know. There's smarter people than me that may know the direction of this, and maybe not, but each time I got into it, and that's why you see such a small win, it didn't move. I got out. I did not want to get caught in a flush that has been known to happen with that one. So anyway, guys, small win, but a big victory. Okay. Huge victory overall. It's a tough market to be day trading in. I was down and now I'm green, and I'm going to walk away. Nothing is exciting in the market right now. So I'm going to take this as a win for the good guys. Everybody hit the thumbs up for me. It helps the channel grow. If you're new, subscribe. And with that, very small recap. Like I said, could not trade today. And I will see. And tomorrow also, I may do the same thing. I'll make a video tomorrow morning, early. I'll hit the Discord early. I'll hit Twitter early. I'll work at my business. And then later in the day, maybe I'll wrap it up. But won't be able to trade tomorrow or Friday either. And unless there's no momentum that I see, I'm probably not going to miss anything anyway. So I don't even care. But anyway, guys, that's the recap today. I hope that you all did well. Everybody take care. Enjoy the rest of your day.